I don't know. Hey guys, how's it going? Okay, so I'm out here just working on this little Scion, as you know. I went ahead and took the seat out because it was just horribly dirty. The people before me who had it just didn't take care of it very well as far as being clean. Look at that. And then, so I pulled the seat out. I've been vacuuming. It's getting a little bit better. And then I need to get that console out. It's just crud and stuff dripped all over. Ew! I didn't find any French fries, but it looks like some soda or something. You know how it goes. And then I did get some money out of it, so thanks for the money. It's like, 30 cents so far. Maybe there's a big stash of cash in here somewhere and I just don't know about it. It's really hot out. I just couldn't stand it though. I wanted to get on it. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Hot, hot, hot. We were over having a little barbecue and it was all good. Anyway, just doing that. Tomorrow I gotta pick up the carpet cleaner, and it has an attachment for furniture, so I'll do the seats. I'm gonna pull the other one out as well. I'll pull that one out and then I can clean those tomorrow. And the stinky things they had in here are stinky. I hate it when people put stinkies in here because it just covers up the stink. It just covers up the odor. The odor's still there, and then now you got stinky all over it. Anyway, you know how it is. By the way, I got the results on the motor over at Gene's Engines, and I got the text earlier today while I was at Toyota. I picked up a gas cap for the back here because I keep smelling gas. We'll give that a day, see if that goes away. I think it's just really hot and the fumes are coming out of the tank somewhere. Not sure where. First step is always changing the gas cap. When it comes to gas caps, I always use the OEM from the dealer. Just seems like the right thing to do. I don't know, you can comment below. So anyway, got that. And then, okay, so back to the point. Gene's Engines said, say that really fast, 3 times or more, that the motor's shot. He said it would cost me way more to try to fix that one than to just buy a used one. So I'm gonna try, I think it's called JDM. They're engines from Japan that come over here. They only have like 60 to 70 to 80 miles on them, 1,000 miles. Leave me a link below if you happen to know, and especially if you've used them before. I hear a lot of stories about don't buy, when they're foreign from overseas or whatever, even though the car is, but you just don't know what you're getting, so it's like a 30-day warranty on the motor. I'll look into that. In the meantime, I met the guy over at Toyota who's into Volkswagens, so I started talking to him. He had Volkswagen stuff all up his arms, tattoos. It was really cool. Real nice guy. He actually has a 64 that he's thinking about selling. So after this project and the project out there at the street corner, which is my BMW cars that I was going to rebuild and decided not to. So I've got 2 BMWs. They're a 1999 and a 2000. That one out there runs and drives not too bad. They just need fixing, just little stuff all over, just like anything else. And then the other one, I guess, doesn't run. It may have overheated, just like this thing. So if you know anybody who wants to buy those, that'd be great. I think I got them listed for $24.95 on Facebook Marketplace, and that's for both cars. Make me an offer, I don't care, whatever. I want to get rid of them. I'll take that cash out of that and put it into this. That would be really good for me. And this is my Sedona Cruiser. You'll catch me up in Sedona after this thing's done. So anyway, that's it for now. I'm gonna get back to vacuuming, and then tomorrow when I get the cleaner, we'll start cleaning the seats and the carpet and hopefully get the stink out of it and clean it up real nice. And then in the meantime, so we got the bar out yesterday. I got all crazy stupid about this. Got halfway into it and thought, I can do it. I don't know why I pulled it. But anyway, I'm gonna clean it up, paint it yellow or red or something, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. And then in the meantime, I got a bunch of brake cleaner. So I'm gonna clean this all up down here. I got some purple cleaner. And then we're just gonna clean this out real good, make it look almost like brand new. So far so good, it's coming along good. Yesterday I worked pretty good on it, getting things cleaned up really good. And then I gotta get some paint match, sand that all down, prime it, put some paint on it. And then I'm gonna clean that whole bottom frame down there, part of the steering and all that, and the suspension. Clean all the harnesses. Maybe I should get some colored harness tubing. That'd be kind of cool. And redo all that. and some colored stuff. What do you think? Let me know. And then the torsion bar I'm going to paint yellow. I think the yellow will really stand out, just like these yellow rags. Let me know what you think about that. Paint that bar yellow. You won't really see it unless you get under there, but I don't know. I wanted to take it all apart and clean it anyway, so I did all that. Okay, so in the meantime, let's jump into the action. This little car is not big enough to hold all the parts. Actually, it is. Holds them really good. I just don't have it organized. You can fill this thing all the way to the top, strap it down. The hour just rolled up. Let's hear your horn. All right, so I got some of this out of here that Tina had stacked all the way up into the top. Some's in the box. What do you spend on that latch now that it's open?
I'll take the book home and read it.
Go ahead. I'll figure it out in 2 seconds and you can read it.
Yeah, but it showed a picture of a handle you would grab. It's not there.
Right there, I'm telling you, 4,000 or 5,000 times, you push that over and it unlocks.
That's not what they showed in the book.
Give me that book.
It's 117 out here.
Feels good. Okay, well, we're moving right along. Okay, now
What are we doing next?
I got this all cleaned out. So you got a lot of stuff in the box. And then Tina was working on cleaning this thing. And so we're doing good.
Hold all the broken glass.
You're doing that right?
Yeah, I think so.
It's all gooey in here. Seatbelts smell like baby poop, baby diapers.
Now they're clean. I used Dawn dish soap
And they smell much better.
with bacteria stuff in it.
Oh yeah, that's an antibacterial.
Yeah.
Woo!
Kill
That'd
all
be
those
nice.
germs on those seatbelts.
That's looking way nicer. Way nicer. Now if we can just get rid of the gasoline smell, we'll be in good shape. That's probably going to be a hose or the anti-rollover valve, or rollover valve.
Rollover valve.
Rollover valve. Roll over Beethoven. Woo! Not really, I'm not a singer. What do you think so far? Okay, so we got all the seats out.
Carpet's in good shape.
Yeah, it's in good shape.
Just needs to be shampooed.
So we'll do that tomorrow. And then I can pull that. I just have to undo the auxiliary thingy in the center and then that'll come out. And there's a wire underneath.
Look at all that crap in there.
Yep.
No wonder it stunk.
Yep. So we'll do that next. Very good, very good. Then tomorrow morning you'll start looking for a motor.
Woohoo! Fire this bad boy up.
Yep. Well, we had the seats out, vacuumed, cleaned as much as we could, cleaned the windows inside and out. Just quick cleans though, just to try to get any odors out. Put everything back in, and then tomorrow I'll get the carpet shampooer and we'll go at it. We'll start cleaning up all the carpet and the seats real good. Hopefully it starts smelling better. But in the meantime, it's looking really good, looking clean. We got everything put back in order. We'll see you in the morning. Actually, it's family breakfast. It's Sunday and it's Father's Day. So I have to go to my dad's and get the carpet shampooer. So on that note, that brings us to the end of the video. It would be sick if you shared. Awesome if you left a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.
To the next one. Ah!